So when you come in for your initial assessment here at Revive, we are going to include some posture photos as part of our 5-phase biostructural evaluation. What that looks like is we'll take a front and side photo of you, and then we use this app called Posture Screen to apply these markers, and that helps us evaluate your overall posture. You can see here, this is the side view, and then the front view. So you can see that this app helps us to see where there may be imbalances in your body, and we use that to figure out how we can best help you. So that is something you can look forward to when you come in for your initial evaluation here at Revive.